Imagine waking up without an alarm clock. No rush, no stress. Just complete freedom. Picture yourself traveling the world, exploring new places whenever you want. Spending quality time with your loved ones, making memories instead of working long hours. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not just a fantasy, it's possible with FIRE, financial independence, retire early. By making smart financial moves today, you can break free from the 9-to-5 grind and retire decades earlier than most people. In this video, I'll break down exactly how you can achieve financial freedom and design a life on your terms. Let's get started. What is FIRE? FIRE, financial independence, retire early, is a movement where people aggressively save and invest to quit traditional jobs much earlier than 65. Instead of waiting decades to enjoy life, FIRE allows you to take control of your time and live on your own terms. But not everyone's FIRE journey looks the same. There are different types of FIRE, depending on your goals and lifestyle preferences. Lean FIRE, for those who prefer a minimalist lifestyle and need a lower savings goal to retire early. By cutting unnecessary expenses and living frugally, you can achieve freedom faster. Fat FIRE, if you don't want to sacrifice comfort, Fat FIRE is for you. This approach requires a higher savings goal but allows for a luxury lifestyle in early retirement. Barista FIRE, not ready to fully retire? Barista FIRE lets you work part-time to cover some expenses while still enjoying the benefits of financial independence. Each path has its pros and cons, but the ultimate goal is the same, freedom. So, which type of FIRE suits you? Let's explore your options. The math behind FIRE. The 4% rule is a simple formula for financial independence. It states that you can safely withdraw 4% of your investments every year without running out of money. In other words, your total savings should be about 25 times your annual expenses. For example, if you need $40,000 a year to live, you'll need $1 million invested. $30,000 expenses, $750,000 needed. $50,000 expenses, $1.25 million needed. This number, your FIRE number, is your ticket to financial freedom. Just take your annual expenses and multiply by 25. That's how much you need to retire early. What's your FIRE number? How to achieve FIRE? Step 1. Cut expenses. The more you save, the faster you reach FIRE. Reduce rent, drive a used car, cook at home, and cut unnecessary subscriptions. Step 2. Increase income. A high savings rate means nothing if your income is too low. Boost it with side hustles, a higher paying job, or smart investments. Step 3. Invest wisely. The best way to grow wealth is through investments. The stock market, index funds, and real estate are popular options. Step 4. Track progress. Track your net worth and investments to stay on track. Small progress adds up over time. Thousands of people have retired in their 30s and 40s by following FIRE, financial independence, retire early. They didn't win the lottery or inherit millions. The key is discipline, patience, and consistency. FIRE isn't about giving up everything you enjoy, it's about being intentional with your money. By saving aggressively, investing wisely, and keeping expenses in check, you can build enough wealth to quit the 9-to-5 decades earlier than most people. Imagine having the freedom to travel, pursue your passions, or spend more time with family, without worrying about a paycheck. It's not a pipe dream, it's a proven strategy that has worked for thousands. The question is, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Let's break down exactly how you can start your FIRE journey today. Financial freedom isn't just for the wealthy, it's for anyone willing to take control of their money. You don't need a six-figure salary or a lucky break. What you need is a plan, discipline, and consistency. Small steps today can lead to massive results in the future. Start by tracking your spending, cutting unnecessary expenses, and investing wisely. Every dollar you save and invest is a dollar working for you, bringing you closer to financial independence. Imagine a life where you don't have to work just to pay the bills, a life where you choose how to spend your time. That future is possible, but only if you start today. Your future self will thank you for every smart financial decision you make now. If you're ready to take control of your money and build real wealth, make sure to like and subscribe for more financial tips. Let's make financial freedom a reality together.